Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster episode. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this 2019 Dodge Durango. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module on the market, trusted by over 2 million users worldwide. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. So the first step in the install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car and wait another 10 minutes. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. First, you gotta locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above it, you'll see the clip to your harness. Unplug that clip and plug the Sprint Booster in line. Plug your controller into the Sprint Booster and run that up to your dash. Be sure to check the switch on the side to make sure you're in the right setting for automatic or manual. Use the provided adhesive to stick it onto your dash and the provided zip ties to tuck all the wires away. Thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Bye now.